So do you enjoy making granny squares and enjoy the fact that they're super portable? You can take them anywhere and get your crochet groove on. So move over traditional granny square and enter the whimsical world of 3D granny squares. So I picked this up on Amazon and I thought I would share it with you. It is 3D Granny Squares 100 Crochet Patterns for Pop-Up Granny Squares by Katie Moore, Sharna Moore, and Celine Simon. In this book, you will find over 100 crochet patterns for pop-up granny squares. So I'm currently working on this lion granny square, and what I like about this book is that it has the entire pattern on one page so that you can easily follow along, take a photograph of it, have it with you if you don't want to bring the book. It has the key for the colors that you're going to use in the granny square along with the chart, and it gives you the exact diagrams of the stitches. And it also gives you some other ideas of crafts that you can make with the granny squares. So it has a nice table of content with an assortment, wide assortment of granny squares from food and drink to fruits and vegetables, animals, under the sea themes, as well as holidays, beasts, flowers, and then other motifs, abstracts, and celebrations. It has the skills in the very back. It talks about the stitch basics. I just love the whimsical colors and the fact that they give you the ideas of the yarns to use. It even has a key at the front and the colors that are used. It uses paint box yarn colors, the DK range, with the numbers and the corresponding code. You don't have to use this. This is just a sample. It has the imperial sizing, the millimeters, as well as the US. It has the terminology of US terms and UK terms. And then there's a chart symbol, abbreviations. I've made this sunflower, and I'm about to work on the lion. So if you would love to add a little whimsy to your crocheting, you may want to give this book a look.